अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, हाउ आर यू? आई होप आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे और जहाँ भी होंगे खुश होंगे। आज जो हम जिस टॉपिक पर बात करेंगे वो है कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, और कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के भी हम रिव्यू एक्सरसाइज को टेस्ट करेंगे और इसमें से कुछ एमसीक्यूज को देखेंगे। जी, स्टार्ट करते हैं। एमसीक्यूज नंबर 1। रिव्यू एक्सरसाइज। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, फॉर एनी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, फॉर एनी complex number z, comma z determinant is equal any complex number z where z determinant where z determinant is is equal to first option is determinant of z, conjugate of z determinants. Then second is, this one is second option, and option number 3, third option is determinant of minus z. This one is minus z bar, and option number 4 will all. Yes, we will check it. Here we will solve roughly. Look at this. Let z is 1 plus 2 iota. Then z mod will equal to 1 minus 2 iota. Now I'm going to find determinant of z. Determinant of z will be 1 square plus 2 square is 4, which is square root of 5. Now this one, determinant of mod. Here is the first determinant of mod, so we will find it. 1 square is 1, minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is 4. So answer will again find this one. Now last one, we're discussing about this one. Taking negative, that mod will equal to minus 1 plus 2 iota. And determinant of minus z mod, determinant of minus z mod is equal to, determinant अब हम find करें negative z mod का. We are finding the determinant of z minus z mod. So again, this one will be equal to minus 1 square plus 2 square. This one will equal to 5. It means all are right. So our option will be all. Next one, we are going to solve next one. Next one question is, if z1 and z2 are two complex number, question number 2, if z1 and z2 are two complex number, then actually this one is triangular property. Then option 1, z1 plus z2 mod will be less than or equal to z1 mod plus z2. Option number 2 is z1 minus z2 mod is less than or equal to z1 plus z1 mod into Z2 mod. And option number 3 is third option. Third option is Z1 plus Z2 mod is greater or equal to Z1 mod plus Z2 mod. And option 3, it mean option 4, I'm talking about this one. Option 4 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 mod less than or equal to Z1 mod minus Z2 mod. Actually, this one is a triangular inequality property, और triangular inequality property जो होती है वो हमारे पास hold करती है about this one. So this answer is second one. Okay, any confusion? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Second one. चलें